I think the best way to describe this master's is limitless. For me, it was an opening to a whole new world of food and beverage that I didn't really know. And what I was able to do was I was able to explore, I was able to experience, and it was really an opportunity to go as deep as I wanted to in different things, whether it was biodynamic wineries in Lange or it was a cooking school in France. So really things that were super diverse, but we were given the opportunity to see all these different things that existed all across different parts of the world and different countries. My main takeaway from this program was really going back to reality. I think before I started this program, I had a very almost idealistic view of the food and beverage world. And when I started this master's, we did a lot of projects, a lot of case studies, and I asked myself, like, why are people not doing sustainable projects? Why isn't everyone doing it? And it was over the master's that I learned it's not as simple as that. And I feel like this master's really gave me the strong, hands-on, and realistic approach that I needed to go with my idealistic vision of things.